Okay, so I especially and sincerely wish to, pledge my allegiance to the white men, the Europeans, the Americans, Australians, the Russians, and the Asians, on how they revolutionized the field of psychiatric medicine, through advanced diagnostic and treatment protocols. Okay, so notable among these wonderful inventions are first that Dr. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, propounded that the brain is an organ of the mind, and any disturbance in the brain results in insanity. Then secondly is the King Edward VII of England was able to build an asylum to remove destitute and vagrant patients from the streets of England, where they were considered as a nuisance and pose danger to the public and society. Later on, Dr. Philippe Pinel, a French physician, advocated for the removal of all metal chains from the legs of psychiatric patients, as it was dehumanizing. Okay, then moving forward, the first electroconvulsive therapy machine was invented by two Italian scientists, Ugo Seletti and Lucio Bini, and it has two functions: elate the depressed and depresses the elated. And incidentally, that is the last resort in drug-resistant psychiatric conditions. Okay, that's electroconvulsive therapy machine. All right, now let's listen to the first man to coin the term psychiatry, and that was Johann Christian Reil, a German physician. Eugene Bleuler, a Swiss neurologist, that used the term schizophrenia for the first term. Another German physician, Emil Kraepelin, is known as the father of psychopharmacology, introduced the use of oral medications in the treatment of the mentally ill patient. Okay, now the first man to perform psychosurgery was Dr. Egas Moniz, a Portuguese neurologist that was also killed by a schizophrenic patient under his care. The DSM classification, was proposed by the American Psychiatric Association, and the International Statistical Classification of mental disorders, ICD, was also proposed by the World Health Organization, and they are the standard systemic classification of mental disorders till tomorrow. Okay, all right. So what about the first antipsychotic to be synthesized? Was in 1952 by a French pharmaceutical company known as Ron-Polenic, and the synthesis of chlorpromazine hydrochloride, known as Lagatil, revolutionized